What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We're gonna check on the new red wiggler bin. Cool, nothing on the lid. Okay, so let's check the area where I fed last time. Oh yeah. I was away for a couple days, so before I left I ended up putting a piece of banana in here too. So I was interested to see if I find anything. It looks like everything's all gone. Okay, everything's all fluffed up now. I'm gonna go get the food and I'm gonna plant it. I'm gonna go get the food and we're gonna put it right about the same area. So I got the food, but I seen there's the banana skin. I don't know if there's anything in it. Oh yeah. So I'll just kind of dig it and put it there in the center. This bag I put it in the freezer so it has kind of some juice in it. So I'm just going to kind of add that moisture to the bin. Not all in one area. So, had frozen cucumber and then basically a salad mix. I have my eggshell for the grit. Not a whole lot, because I did add, when I made the bin up the first time, I added a good amount. And then a little sand also for some grit. Go ahead and cover this back up. And then mark it with my coffee filter. Okay, very pleased so far. They consumed all the food that I had in there in a week's time, so that's awesome. I went ahead, gave them about the same amount of food, so hopefully they finish this off again, and then I got a good kind of starting point of how much I need to feed them. With it kind of getting colder and being wintertime, I noticed with my other bin that their appetites do slow down a bit, so we'll see if that holds true with these guys. I'm going to add this piece of corrugated cardboard on the side here. Just see, oh, put it up here on the side, and we'll just see the next time if some worms start kind of making their way into that cardboard area. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.